Yo, what's up and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all are fine, good, cool and having chill. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how can you tie Omani style Masur. So first, if you haven't subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and vlogs. So let's start this tutorial right now. I'm back here, so this is time to wind up this tutorial right now. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your comments down, okay? So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial or vlog. So this is time to wind up this vlog. Sorry, I said vlog.